Have you ever forgotten your Windows password, or has a friend changed it without you knowing? Here's where Conboot comes in handy. Conboot allows you to bypass any password-protected Windows operating system. Go to the Conboot website and download the free version of it. Extract the files and look for the CD ISO image. We're going to burn this to a CD, but being such a small-sized file, some CD burners won't detect it. I used Image Burn to do the job. Insert a blank CD and select Write Image File to Disk, then select the ISO image just downloaded. And make sure to choose the lowest burning speed, otherwise it may not detect it. Once this done, you can insert the CD in the computer you need to bypass. I'll be using Windows XP in a virtual machine, but on a physical machine you need to change the booting order in the BIOS interface when you turn on your computer. Usually by pressing F2, F12 or delete at the starting of the computer. You should enter the boot menu. Choose the CD-ROM to boot in first place. Then save these settings and quit. Reboot if you have to. Conboot will now be loading, modifying the system kernel so it can bypass the authentication process. You'll now have access to any account without having to type the password, leaving no trace whatsoever. Note that changes are only temporary and they are reset after reboot. So by using this method, you won't be able to change the password. In my next video I'll show you how to find the actual password using a different method. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Feel free to comment and check out my channel for other videos.